This is Irie-AT, Braille and low vision. Irie-AT specializes in video magnification, low vision computer access, scan and read devices, and Irie-AT knows Braille. We have a wide range of products hand-selected from the best assistive technology vendors throughout the world. If you need video magnification, look to Irie-AT. We have handheld magnifiers, portable and foldable magnifiers, scan and read magnifiers, desktop CCTVs, and more. If you need to use a computer, Irie-AT can help. We have software that can magnify your computer screen and talk back to you aloud.
I love my Dolphin Supernova screen magnification software.
Irie-AT even has simplified solutions to make using a computer or mobile device easy. If you need the most accurate scan and read devices, look no further than Irie-AT. We have numerous devices and computer-connected systems.
The norm he knew. I read with interest, gray and gold scathing that
Irie-AT has the widest range of Braille embossers, including an affordable personal embosser. We have ink and Braille embossers, and we specialize in teaching tactile graphics to schools. Irie-AT is proud to announce the new CloverBook Pro from SightCare. CloverBook Pro is a portable, foldable video magnifier that folds and unfolds easily and only weighs 5.3 pounds. CloverBook Pro includes a stylish protective case and even boasts a user-replaceable, rechargeable battery. You can control CloverBook Pro with tactile knobs and buttons, or use the touchscreen. CloverBook Pro includes a handy distance and self camera that can be positioned easily to point in any direction and doesn't require separate charging or connections. Spin the camera head forward to view at a distance and spin it back to you and it will switch automatically into mirror mode. You'll love the versatility of the distance and self camera on CloverBook Pro. CloverBook Pro has a split screen mode, so you can even view the distance camera and desk camera simultaneously. If you need speech, CloverBook Pro has full page OCR. Scan an entire page and have it read back to you aloud. CloverBook Pro even has menus that can speak. CloverBook Pro's widescreen 12.5 Full HD matte touchscreen provides a large viewing area and incredible image quality. If that's not enough screen space, CloverBook Pro even has an option to add an additional 12.5-inch Full HD matte screen. Adding the additional screen gives you true split screen, as well as a special reading mode that helps you keep your orientation. Thanks for joining us at Irie-AT, your home for Braille and low vision. If you'd like more information, please visit us at irie-at.com or email us at sales@irie-at.com or call us at 888-308-0059. We look forward to hearing from you soon.